Welcome back, and in this lesson I'm excited because we get to start talking about roll exercises, specifically non-single stroke roll exercises. And the first one we're going to do is the multiple bounce or buzz or crush roll, whatever you want to call it. I prefer buzz roll. The way this works is this is going to add a new technique to our arsenal of hand vocabulary, if you will. Before we were just playing single strokes. But now what I want you to do is right here in your fulcrum, you're going to add pressure between your thumb and your fingers, and you're going to create a buzzing sound. The amount of pressure you apply will change the amount of time that the stick buzzes for. A lot of pressure means a very fast buzz. Less pressure lets the stick buzz longer. So depending on how fast the pulse of your roll is, you'll change the amount of pressure that you're using in your hand. So the way we're going to get started with this is we're just going to try playing hand to hand, and the goal of this is not to play at a specific tempo. The goal of buzz rolling, the way we're going to practice it in here, is to try to get a consistent sound, so it just sounds like a nice pad of buzzing underneath. And the best way to practice this is to literally just squeeze, and then start, and then adjust the amount of pressure until you find something that sounds right. Okay, this one is a good exercise to practice. Buzz rolls are very, very important, and it helps you learn what your fulcrum does. It helps you understand how much pressure you need in your fulcrum to play certain things. This is going to carry over into the next lesson, which is double stroke rolls. Okay, so for buzz rolls though, practice the pressure in your hand and the hand speed, and then try to get it even. Once again. All right, guys, so practice your crush, buzz, multiple bounce stroke roll, whatever you want to call it, and I will see you in the next lesson, double stroke rolls.